Hey guys, Dan here from Detail King Auto Concept. I would like to take you through the workshop and show you what we have in-house today. Follow me. We have this Lexus ISF here for the paint protection film. We had protected all front with the paint protection film and the rest of the car with ceramic coating. Then we have here Triumph 2020 Rocket 3R, which is in here for partial wrap paint protection film and ceramic coating on the engine base and all frameworks. Then we got here 2020 Subaru Outback, which is in here for wheels paint. They are going to be carrying a matte black and also the full chrome delete and window tintings. Meet Vicky here. Then few cars line up here for the job. Porsche, it's here for stage 3 paint correction, and wheels going to be painted in gloss black. We have a nice Jaguar XK here, which is in here for stage 2 paint correction and ceramic pro coating on it, which maintain its gloss and make its fall marks and scratch free for a long time. Then we have beautiful Nissan Fairlady here, which is in here for prestige detailing and paint correction and also sealant, which protect the paintwork for a long time. Then we have here beautiful Fairlady Camaro Z28, really special vehicle. We got the black one this week and a white one coming in next week. The same procedure. We're going to do the paint protection film cover the front edge and the rest of the car with double diamond ceramic pro coating package. That's all. We have some more vehicles here as well, which is here for detailing, and stay tuned for more video individual cars. See you. Thank you.